Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Analytics 4 for data pipelines, beginner guide step by. To get started with Google Analytics 4, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Analytics website at analytics.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, create one by clicking on the Start for Free button. Once logged in, click the Start Measuring button to begin the registration process. Enter your account name in the designated field. Configure the data sharing settings according to your preferences. Click Next to proceed to the property setup. Enter a property name that reflects your business or website. Select the appropriate reporting time zone and currency. Click Next again to move to the Business Information section. Choose your industry category from the drop-down menu. Indicate the size of your business by selecting the relevant option. Select your intended usage of Google Analytics to further customize your experience. Click Create to finalize the property setup. Review and accept the terms of service and data processing terms. Once accepted, you will be taken to the data stream setup page. Choose the platform for your data stream, such as web, iOS app, or Android app. For this guide, select Web to track a website. Enter your website URL and stream name in the provided fields. Click Create Stream to establish the connection. Take note of the measurement ID displayed on the next screen. To implement tracking, add the Google Analytics tag to your website's code. If you're using a website builder, look for specific instructions for integrating Google Analytics. Verify your setup by visiting your website and checking real-time reports in Google Analytics. Congratulations, you've successfully registered with Google Analytics 4 and set up your data pipeline. Now you can begin leveraging your data to enhance your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.